Okay, this is the finished product. Hi, welcome to Dave's Corner of the World. Have a great day. Plan A for the safety chain for the motorcycle hitch is right here. There's a bolt go all the way through right there. And you see how I drill it, and it goes all the way through. And just have it's a 1/4 inch nut. 1/4 inch nut right there holding it on there. It won't come out. I'm going to put a 1/4 inch nut on top of it. Put the chain over, 1/4 inch washer on top. Put the chain on. Put another 1/4 inch washer. And just screw a 1/4 inch nut on top of that. And that would hold the chain. Right? No. I went for about a 10-mile ride last night, and I had the other side set up just like this one. I got back, the nut and the 2 washers were gone. Totally gone. You would think vibration and gravity would run that nut down, but it ran it out on this side. This side was so tight that I had to have a pair of pliers to loosen it. Now what do you think about that? Isn't that interesting? Those are completely gone, and that one was really, really tight. Okay, plan B. Went to Home Depot, got 2 5/8 inch washers. They were flat, and I drilled a 1/4 inch hole in them in my drill press that you've seen several times. Then I put them in this drill press, this little vise, tightened it down, took a hammer and pounded it down flat like that. Okay, now we'll go out to the motorcycle and I'll show you why. Alright, we're back at the motorcycle, and as you can see I got this bolt out already, and this one I got the washers and the nut off. Uh-oh. Well, I can't just push that out of there. So the way we do that is put a nut back on it. Full set of threads. Not any more, not any less. Just a full set of threads. See, it just comes to the top there. Take a hammer and tap it. Now, we haven't screwed up the threads at all. If we had hit it with a hammer, we could have messed up the threads. Now, this was not very tight. But if you get something that's really tight, and you go to pounding on it, you're going to mess up the threads right on the end of the bolt, and then it's going to be a real pain to get a nut back on it. I'm going to put that bolt in upside down. I'm going to take this, put right in there like so. Oh, I'm going to have to cut the bolt off. Maybe, maybe not. Yeah, I'm going to. Going to put a lock nut, a lock washer, and a nut on it, and I can't show you that holding the camera. You see I got the nut, just a regular nut and a lock washer. Screw that up there real tight. Put it on there with a wrench. Now, what am I going to do with this? Okay. Going to go to Home Depot and get one of these things here. And you know, you just open up like that, only bigger and heavier. Put my safety chain where my keys are and just reach in here like this with this bolted down solid. Oh, come on. Never works when you want it to. Just put that in there like that and that'll be your safety chain. Oh, I want to take it off? Just take it off. I'm sure glad Home Depot isn't very far away. I just went up to Home Depot and got these big clamps. I don't know what they're called. But anyway, works great. Put the safety chain where my thumb and forefinger are and put it in there like that. One on each side. Perfect way to go. Now all I need is a trailer. Please subscribe, hit the bell to get notified every time I post a new video.